For Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Chicago Wendler.
As Claudette continues tracking to the north and east, we continue hot and dry. But I'm still tracking a cold front for early next week, and it does look like it could bring us both rain and a cooler change. Here's a look at your Saturday forecast. It is mostly sunny and it is heating up fast. You know, this morning's low temperature of 70 was the coolest since June 6th. Well, we've already made it up to 90 as of lunchtime, a heat index of 93. We are heading on our way to a high of 97 degrees. Heat index could range between about 100 and 104 degrees. Winds generally out of the south about 5 miles per hour. So beautiful day on the way. Meantime, ozone action day for today. High humidity on Monday, and that's going to be ahead of our next cold front. That cold front could actually spur on some strong, maybe even severe thunderstorms. Something to keep in mind. It's a rare June cold front, and it may actually trim our temperatures to the coolest we've seen in weeks. Maybe you are fortunate enough to have tickets to opening night of the Austin FC. 8 p.m. is the kickoff, and weather should be A-okay, as long as you don't mind the heat out there. Kickoff right around 8 p.m., 91 degrees, halftime temperature 87 after the match. 86 degrees. So temperatures going to be on the warm side. As mentioned, it is another ozone action day. We've now had 3 in the last week. Code orange, air unhealthy for sensitive groups. What that means is if you have asthma, emphysema, any respiratory issues, you will want to limit your outdoor time during the afternoon into early evening. All right, so temperatures as of midday. 89 in LaGrange, heat index of 96, 87 in Mason, and as mentioned, 90 already in Austin. Now, from Juneteenth today to Father's Day tomorrow, temperatures topping out around 97 yet again. I think there'll be a little bit more cloud cover as we head into your Sunday. Okay, Tropical Storm Claudette. Well, at this point, I am expecting that the storm will continue pushing itself toward the north and east. You can see that the actual rain around it is well removed from the center of circulation. It did get upgraded pre-dawn after it moved inland in Louisiana. So that system's not going to be any threat to us. Winds have dropped down to 40 miles per hour, and it will continue to become a post-tropical system. But there are indications it could reemerge into the Atlantic and strengthen again. So this is something to keep in mind. Tropical storm warnings are still in place across the coast. Tropical cyclone names. We are now up to number 3, Claudette. Danny is number 4. Nothing yet out there in the Atlantic or in the Gulf. Possible rain. Heavier rain continuing to sweep through the southeast associated with Claudette. For us, we may sneak in a ½ inch or so of rain with that next cold front. Let's take a closer look at that next weather maker. Rest of your Saturday up to 97, Sunday up to 97. We stay dry all the while. Then heading into early Monday, we're going to start out with a very soupy atmosphere. Lows in the morning on Monday could be around 80, and then the cold front coming through late Monday night into early Tuesday. Not looking for widespread severe thunderstorms, but there could be a few around. So temperature falling from close to 100 to only in the low 90s by Tuesday, and then on Wednesday highs in the mid 90s. Can't rule out a stray shower or two. Right now Thursday I'm keeping dry, although this particular computer model is trying to muster a sea breeze shower or two, but the general trend is going to be hot. By the way, Storm Prediction Center for Monday has included us in an isolated severe thunderstorm risk from Mason to Gillespie to Blanco to Hayes counties, points off toward the north and east. Timing is going to be late Monday night into early Tuesday. Here's a look at your Father's Day planner. 8 a.m. around 78, so not nearly as crisp and cool as it was this morning. High temperature for tomorrow about 97, heat index up to 103 degrees. You can see our temperature trend. We're going to warm up to perhaps close to 100 on Monday, drop down behind the cold front to low 90s on Tuesday, and then bump right back up again. In terms of rain, chances highest late Monday night into early Tuesday, and that pretty much is going to be it for the rain. So we're not expecting a whole lot. A couple computer models are trying to bring some pockets of around a ½ inch or so. Weather Prediction Center at this point saying, nah, maybe not quite as much, maybe up to around ¼ inch. Either way, it's been a while. We could use the rain. Temperature outlook June 27th through July 3rd. We're back to warm, and we're also back to dry weather. So get ready for that. Here is that 7-day forecast. Enjoy the weekend. Make sure you've got the sunscreen. And today, if you have any respiratory issues because it's an ozone action day, take it easy outside. We can all look ahead and get excited about the potential of a 1-day stint of cooler air on Tuesday with a high of only 91 degrees. You are all caught up with your weekend weather forecast. Be sure to tune in to CBS Austin News and Avery Tomasco later on this evening.